This is alvinmunk. Collect people, not points. It is a social reputation game on Stellar. You earn reputation by backing real people, not by farming points. To sign in, we use the real Stellar Wallet kit. So any Stellar Wallet like Freighter, xBull, Albedo, Rabet, LOBSTR, or Hana connects in one window. I connect a wallet, I check my balance, and I send a test payment. It goes through in a 5 seconds, and you get a hash you can check on Stellar Expert. Now this is the main page. You can see who I am, my social points, and my earned points. Here is the main loop. I back a person even before they join. I write one short line about why, and I get a link to share. That link is the invite. When they open it and claim their site, we both get social points, and it is saved on chain. There are two kinds of points on purpose. Sorry. Social points are just for fun and rank. They can never turn into money, so earned points come only from checked tasks, and only earned points can unlock USDC. Here is a real contract called mint vouch, and you can check it in on Stellar Expert too. The leaderboard and the activity feed both update live from on-chain events. There is no server in the middle, just 5 Soroban contracts that talk to each other with over 100 pressing tests and a green build. It works well on funds, it runs on Mercel, and signing free for the user with no gas fees. Alvin Monk, reputation built on real people. Thanks for watching. See you later.